好，我们来看一下 over-packaging 这道题。大家先把视频暂停一下，给自己大概40秒的时间，把整个文章呢先读一遍。Alright， 读完之后你发现文章还是比较简单，对不对？没有非常难的单词，断句呢也是比较容易的，所以拿高分呢应该没有大的问题。我们来看一下第一部分。The free market 这个 T 要注意 ，The free market is extremely 不要读成了 extremely，OK？Extremely 收音要快 ，extremely competitive and companies 不是 and，OK？And companies are constantly 注意这个单词 constantly 我没有读成 constantly。Okay, are constantly trying to gain an edge over their rivals. Merchandising and brand image 这个 D 要注意，我没有读成 brand image, brand image 做出口型 brand image play a major role in attracting customers, but they often lead to over-packaging. But they often lead to 做出口型这两个 OK over-packaging. 好，我们连续读一下。The free market is extremely competitive and companies are constantly trying to gain an edge over their rivals. Merchandising and brand image play a major role in attracting customers, but they often lead to over-packaging. 我们看第二部分。This is a serious problem since most packaging these days are made of plastic,注意这个 of 连起来 made of plastics, which are not biodegradable, 这个 T 非常的弱，甚至你可以把它就是做出口型没有这个音。我们试一下 which are not biodegradable. 我说 not 的时候呢，这个 T 非常快，非常的迅速，对不对？好，在哪里断句呢？我们看一看 This is a serious problem since most packaging these days are made of plastics, which are biodegradable, which are not biodegradable. 或者说我们在这里试一下，我们就在这个 plastics 后面停一下。This is a serious problem since most packaging these days are made of plastics, which are not biodegradable. 断句呢，记住 ，OK， 尽量少断。一句话当中呢，不要出现太多的这个 tiny pause， 对你的流利度呢不会有特别好的一个影响。OK， 所以我们尽量少断。OK， 流利排在第一位。好，我们看第二句 Some people blame the manufacturer. OK， blame the 这个注意 blame the manufacturer for their blatant disregard. 这个 T 要注意不要太重了，不要读成 blatant. OK， blatant disregard 这个 D 要发清楚，因为我这里有个 pause， 所以 D 这个 D 的音呢一定要发清楚。disregard while others point the finger at consumers. Point the finger我没有读成 point the finger, OK? Point the finger at consumers, at 这个 T 大家注意，我没有读成 at consumers, OK? At consumers 做出口型。我们来读一下 This is a serious problem since most packaging these days are made of plastics which are not biodegradable. Some people blame the manufacturer for their blatant disregard, while others point the finger at consumers. 好，我们把两部分连起来读一下，我读的慢一点，大家跟着我一起读。The free market is extremely competitive and companies are constantly trying to gain an edge over their rivals. Merchandising and brand image play a major role in attracting consumers, but they often lead to over-packaging. This is a serious problem since most packaging these days are made of plastics, which are not biodegradable. Some people blame the manufacturer for their blatant disregard, while others point the finger at consumers. All right, thank you guys.